Hello students, last day you saw that the narrator asked the Aditya that whether he would like to visit his birthplace yet again or not. But actually Aditya replied him that sometimes reviving your childhood memory could be disappointing because things could have changed in those years, and your memory can have the pleasing memory that you have can just divert from a good experience to a bad experience by seeing all those things which is present there in present. Actually, further he is saying that Aditya expressed the desire to visit the tea shop of Nagain Khuro, but actually, as he told, as he said last day, that it is not a very good thing always to visit the places because things could have been changed over the years, but he would still like to visit a tea shop. He is mentioning here about a tea shop, and the name of the tea shop is actually Nagain Khuro tea shop. And he is further he just also saying that if the tea shop still exists. So in his childhood there was a tea shop. The name of the tea shop is actually Nagain Khuro, but now Aditya is saying whether that tea shop is still there or not, he does not know, but he would like to visit that if it still exists there. If it was still there for a cup of tea, he would definitely like to go to Nagain Khuro tea shop in his birthplace, in his birth village, in his native village actually. So the narrator and the Aditya actually took the road on the right and drove to Brahmpur. So from the diversion, where did they turn? They took the road to Brahmpur, which was the Aditya's native village, where Aditya's ancestors had once been landlords. And in this village in Brahmpur, there was a time when Aditya's ancestors were landlords. And who are the landlords? Landlords, students, are those who owns a lot of land properties in village areas or on any area for that matter, are known as landlords. जमींदार, जो बहुत बड़े वाले जमींदार होते हैं, those who have a lot of land property. And Aditya's ancestors were also landlords. Aditya's father had left the ancestral home and moved to Kolkata, Kolkata, not Kolkata. In that time, Kolkata was actually Kolkata, where he had set up his own business. So actually, Aditya's father actually left his ancestral home. Ancestral home means the home which is your ancestral home, जो पूर्वजों का घर होते हैं. And it was actually Aditya's father who first moved to Kolkata, where he set up his own business, and then followed by that, after the death of his father, Aditya had inherited it, and I was his friend and business partner. So the further narrator is saying that narrator is actually the business partner of Aditya, and after the demise of his father, after the demise of Aditya's father, actually Aditya became the legal hire of that business, and he runs that business, and narrator is his partner in that business.